Blessing Movie, and today I'll be sharing about Windows 8. So in summary, today I'll be giving you a brief introduction of Microsoft Windows 8, and I'll give you a brief overview of some of the features that came with this technology. And in that, I am going to resume my slideshow. Yes, so in that I'm going to give you one feature that stands out the most and two favorite applications of choice. So Microsoft Windows 8 was launched on the 26th of October 2012, and the main objective was to mobilize Windows and create a consumer-friendly application platform for portable and desktop devices incorporated with touch capability. So I would like to share a quick quote with you by Jacob Miller, who works for Microsoft and is the user experience designer. And he said, before Windows 8 and Metro came along, power users and casual users had to share the same space. It was like a rented tuxedo coat, something that somewhat fit a wide variety of people. It wasn't tailored because any aggressive tailoring would make it fit one person great, but would have the others pulling at the buttons. So what changed? A new start screen, which is one of the main things that you come up against when you start your new Windows 8, and a very interesting feature called account sync. So what account sync simply does, when you move across to a different device, you don't have to reconfigure your settings. You can move all your settings with you using the account sync feature. The other feature, so there is improved multiple monitor setups, whereby if you are running on 2 or 3 separate monitors, what you can do is you can always, each monitor can have its own settings, so you can have your own settings on every individual monitor. And you can also now pause file processes. So before on Windows 7 you only had the option of cancelling, but with Windows 8 you can pause the file processes, so copy jobs, downloads, etc. You can pause them and resume them the next time you're back on your computer. And sharing has been made easier. All applications are now linked to social media, so you can actually upload stuff on social media. You can share stuff that you're doing on that particular application on social media and your downloads with ease. And storage spaces is where it's almost like my computer, but a more sophisticated version of my computer, where you literally you can go on there and manage your internal and external drives under one storage pool. And the considerably faster startup due to a feature called hybrid boot, which basically takes all the information from your previous processes and it stores them on sleep mode. So the next time you restart the computer, it simply reboots from those previous processes. And the new check disk, which pretty much replaces the blue screen of death with a black screen, and it fixes file system corruptions or interruptions. Now there are 4 versions of Windows 8, and these are Home, Professional, Enterprise, and RT. RT is actually been specifically built for low power tablets and lifestyle PC devices. So the home version, it includes just the simple and the basic features just for overall use. And then the professional version is for advanced users and business users. It includes additional features such as remote desktop reception, encryption, Hyper-V, virtual hard disk booting, and BitLocker to secure or encrypt your external storage devices. And then you have the enterprise version, which is similar to Pro, but it comes with additional privileges, and these are exclusive to software assurance customers and TechNet professional subscribers. And then you have the RT version, which is only available pre-installed on handheld devices such as tablet PCs. So we see that in the Microsoft Surface tablet, the Microsoft Pro tablet, etc. So one key feature that I've picked out is the incredibly faster boot up in comparison to earlier Windows models. So the hybrid boot combines processes using cold boot, hibernation mode including kernel, session storage, and the employment of multiple cores during the boot, which is why you get a considerably faster boot. And for many years, Windows has been countered based on its speed by its close competitors. So the benefit of this feature is obviously time. And I've also chosen two applications from Windows 8 which I prefer to use, which I enjoy using, and one of these is Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word is a globally recognized application across many organizations and establishments, and it basically gives you ease of word processing with new features such as the Easy Reader, which pretty much makes reading any document that doesn't require editing easy. It magnifies the document for you if need be. There's also the Design tab, which allows you to modify your documents to your desired style with many themes and styles to choose from, so you can now be a little more articulate with your document. And then we also have the alignment with alignment guides feature, and what that does is it simply much adds precision to every move you make, every addition you make. So if you add a picture, you can align it to the exact specifications that you need with the help of these alignment guides. And now you can also interestingly open and edit PDFs, which we all know is very useful for a lot of people because you may need to access a PDF file and make amends or changes to it. Microsoft Word now has a feature that allows you to access a PDF content, including its tables and images, and make additions to it. And finally, I've got the online document presentation feature via the Microsoft Word app, which allows you to. It's very useful when you're doing presentations, when you're sharing with your colleagues and your peers, and it also allows them to even make supportive comments towards that particular document presentation. And the next application is Adobe Photoshop Express. Now, I am a photographer, so for me this was a very exciting application. So a very exciting discovery. Now, digital photography, as we all know, has become more popular thanks to its easy accessibility and speed. Now, digital images, like many still images, they require some form of processing. So with film photography, you had to have a Lightroom to produce your images. Now with this special application, you can do all your editing on your computer screen right in front of you at the comfort of your home. Now with Adobe Photoshop Express, you don't need to be a professional. It's very user friendly and can be used by users of all abilities, and it comes with standard features such as photo fixing, where you can crop, straighten, rotate, flip, adjust color, remove red eye, etc. You can adjust hue, which is basically brightness, and the white balance, which determines how bright your background and how true your colors are. And you also have artistic and varied themes, which allows you to be articulate with your images. You can add themes around it, you can change the outlook and the appearance of the background, etc. And you can even add props. And the all-important quick sharing feature, which allows you to share your images via social media or email with your friends and family, or who you so ever choose to do so with. And the what's called simple capture feature, which is available on Adobe Photoshop Express application itself, which allows you to capture images from within the application, which promotes image compatibility, which simply much means you always will have the right format of image, so you don't have to worry about uploading the wrong format and not being able to work with it inside of the app. So and the end result of all this is a professional standard image which can be cherished for many years to come. And that's all, folks. Thank you all for your cooperation. In summary, I have introduced Windows 8, specified a key feature, shared two favorite applications of choice, and I really do hope this has been informative. Thank you.